Number 36, a circle is tangent to the x-axis and the y-axis. The coordinates of its center are both positive. The area of the circle is 64 pi. What are the coordinates of the point of tangency on the y-axis? So let's just start by making an xy plane. Let's look at some of the information we're given. So we're told that it is tangent to the x and y axis. We're told that the coordinates of its center are both positive. So let's just stop there for a second. So if the coordinates of its center are both positive, they would have to fall in quadrant 1. So that's quadrant 1, that's quadrant 2, that's quadrant 3, that's quadrant 4. So it's going to be somewhere over here. And now let's look at this first part. The circle is tangent to the x and y axis. So tangent just means it touches the y axis and the x axis at one point. So let's draw that in. So maybe there, and then here you can kind of approximate what the circle is going to look like. Something like that. And for the sake of symmetry, I'll draw a point over there. Okay. So we've taken care of this part and this part. It's saying the area of the circle is 64 pi. So the area of a circle, the formula is A is equal to pi radius squared. If the area is 64 pi, we can plug that in for A, and we can find our radius. So looking at both sides, we can cross out the pi's, and we'll have to 64 is equal to r squared. So to solve for r, we would square root both sides. So we can see that our radius here is going to be 8. Well, that's a radius, that's a radius, that's a radius, that's a radius. Really, any point on the circle to the center, by definition, would give you a radius. So this is going to be a length of 8. That's a length of 8. So we can see that our center here is going to be 8, 8. But that's not what it's asking for. It's asking for the coordinates of the point of tangency on the y-axis. So where does it touch the y-axis? It touches it right here. What would that point be? Well, if the distance from here to here is 8, the distance from here to here is also 8. So we can see that that is going to be over 0 up 8. So our answer for this one is going to be G.